The quotient property is similar to the product property that we started with, but it says this. It says if you have the nth root of a over b, then you can split that up into the nth root of a over the nth root of b. And it goes both ways. So if you want it split up, you can do that, or if you want them back together as one rational expression under the radical, you can do that as well. Okay, so that's the quotient property. And now we have an example. All right, so we have 24p cubed over 49. So we're going to split it up. And these are square roots. And you might be saying, well, why didn't you do it like you did the last ones? You know, why didn't you simplify the fraction? Because I can't. So there isn't anything that goes into both 24 and 49. So that's why we're splitting it up. And now we'll go ahead and do the denominator first. That's easier. So the square root of 49, that we happen to know, is 7. So we'll just put a 7 there. And now the 24. I'm going to have to think about the 24 a little bit. I can think of it as 4 times 6. And I can take the square root of 4. Now you could break it down into its primes, but it's going to be the same thing. You're just going to get a 2 on the outside. So when you take the square root of 4, you're going to get a 2. And then we have p cubed. So that's enough p's. We're going to get a p on the outside. But remember, it's an odd exponent, so we're going to have to take the absolute value of p. And then what's left over on the inside? Well, we have that leftover 6. And we have a leftover p. And then that's going to be the answer. So sometimes it's tricky with the absolute values. See, it looks like 21 almost. So just try to make good absolute values, I guess. A lot of textbooks, they'll just say at some point, all right, don't worry about putting the absolute value all the time. But this textbook has not said that. So